Presenting a pre-owned 2016 BMW. This two-door convertible has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW is a great value with less than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.